Here we've got HUAWEI Y7a, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we need to open the settings, then find and select biometrics and password, and go to fingerprint ID. And at first you need to set your lock screen if you do not have one yet, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then re-enter it to confirm. And now mark unlock device if it's a fingerprint to unlock the phone. And here you've got the sensor. It is, as you can see here it is located. And just keep tapping with the fingerprint that you would like to add, with this finger that you would like to add. As you can see, the sensor is pretty good, so it's grabbing the fingerprints easily. And then you can also rename it. So let me name it Hardy, tap on OK, and that's it. From now on you can smoothly unlock your phone, either with this backup PIN code or with your fingerprint, so easily by tapping on the sensor here. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.